finish work, and the moment you sit down, you're done, drained, empty, like someone pulled the plug on your energy. I know the feeling, and worse, I thought that was normal, that this was just what life felt like after work. It's not. Feeling drained isn't normal. It's a signal that you're living out of alignment. If you want to stop feeling drained, you don't need more hours of sleep. You don't need a vacation. You need to change your system, how you leave work, how you enter life. The first thing I changed, I built a shutdown ritual. At the end of every workday, I wrote down tomorrow's priorities, closed my laptop, and said out loud, "Work is done for today." Simple. But that tiny act closed the mental tabs running in the background of my mind. Second, I moved my body before the couch trapped me. Before sitting down, I walked for 5 minutes, stretched for 2 minutes, anything to tell my body, I am not finished yet. I am reclaiming my energy. Motion creates emotion. A stagnant body fuels a stagnant mind. Third, I upgraded my evening input. Garbage in, garbage out. If you feed your mind negativity after work, don't be surprised when you feel even more drained. I replaced mindless scrolling with books, podcasts, conversations with mentors. Energy is about what you consume, not just what you produce. Fourth, I stopped using food as a sedative. Heavy meals at night were killing my recovery. I kept dinner light, vegetables, clean protein, hydration, and guess what? I stopped waking up tired too. Last, I created a 30-minute power hour. No work, no noise, just 30 minutes every evening to read, reflect, recharge. Not for productivity, for presence. That was the secret to breaking the cycle, resting on purpose, not by accident. Feeling drained isn't inevitable. Protect your energy like your life depends on it, because it does. This is the master's way.